Before you compare prices or sizes, here's the mistake most people make: choosing a storage unit without knowing what they actually need it for. Are you storing items for a few weeks during a move, or do you need long-term storage for furniture, documents, or things you will not use for a while? That one decision affects almost everything else, from the size you need to whether climate control is worth paying for. Start by making a simple inventory. List the big items like beds, sofas, tables, appliances, and boxes. A unit might technically fit your belongings, but that does not mean it will work well.
You want enough room to stack safely, protect furniture, and still reach important items later without unloading everything.
In many cases, getting a slightly bigger unit can save you stress and make the space much more usable. Next, think about whether climate control matters for what you are storing. For a storage unit, if you have electronics, wood furniture, documents, photos, antiques, or anything that could be damaged by heat, cold, or humidity, climate control is often a smart choice. It is less about luxury and more about protecting items you would regret damaging. You also need to ask about restrictions, because not everything is allowed in storage. Some facilities limit things like flammable materials, chemicals, food, batteries, or certain business items. If you are storing appliances, inventory, or anything unusual, confirm the rules before you rent. Ask about the setup fees, insurance, lock purchases, deposits, taxes, and whether the rate is promotional or likely to increase later.
A cheap unit is not really cheap if the full monthly cost ends up being much higher than expected. Security, cleanliness, and access matter too.
Look for cameras, gated access, good lighting, clean hallways, dry conditions, and hours that fit your schedule. The best storage unit is not just the cheapest one. It is the one that fits your belongings, your timeline, and the way you will actually use the space. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.